Hi! In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this tablet. You need to start by clicking on Sound Recorder app. Now tap on this red button, select Allow in the pop-ups, and as you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on this left button. If you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now you can delete your recording right away by choosing Discard or tap on Save in order to save it. To access the list of all your recordings, you need to click on this right button over here. If you wish to play one of them, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, then hold it from here, choose bin icon at the bottom, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!